Grafco's hot and cold pack therapy line provides relief for aching pains resulting from muscle or joint damage. Grafco's disposable instant cold packs are great for common aches, pains, swelling, and bruising. Offered in two sizes, 6x8.5 and 5x5, these are ideal for both home and facility use. The C100 and C101 provide maximum convenience as they require no refrigeration or freezing to use. The ease in activating the cold packs makes these perfect to take on the go. To activate, shake the contents to the bottom of the bag, locate the inner fluid pouch, and squeeze firmly to rupture. Shake briefly to mix contents. And wrap in soft cloth and towel to apply. The instant cold packs are perfect for quick, efficient pain relief and can be disposed of after treatment. Grafco's reusable hot-cold gel packs give relief to chronic pain and help sore muscles relax. Like the instant packs, the gel packs come in two sizes, 6x9 and 4.5x7, making them ideal for both home and facility use. For heat therapy, microwave the pad for 45 seconds, letting it sit for an additional 30 seconds before applying to the skin. If a hotter pad is desired, microwave in 15-second increments. For cold therapy, place the pad in the freezer for at least 2 hours. Grafco's reusable hot-cold gel packs are great to keep at home or in the office.